If you're looking to set up QR codes for customer loyalty programs in Unicode, stick around because I'll walk you through how it works, what to watch out for, and a better alternative that gives you more for your money. Here's the deal: Unicode is known for its QR code solutions, but is it the best option for loyalty programs? Let's break it down. First, setting up a QR code in Unicode is simple. You log in, create a new QR code, and choose the type, whether it's a link to a rewards page, a discount code, or a digital stamp card. You can customize the design, add branding, and track scans. This is great for businesses that want a branded look without much effort. Next, one of Unicode's biggest strengths is dynamic QR codes. Unlike static ones, these let you update the destination without reprinting, so you can tweak your loyalty program in real time. However, if you're on the lower tier plans, customization is limited, and you don't get advanced tracking unless you upgrade. The third thing to know: analytics. Unicode provides basic scan tracking, including location and device data, which is useful, but if you want deep customer insights or CRM integrations, you'll need their higher plans. That's where it gets pricey compared to other software with built-in loyalty program features. Another key point: Unicode isn't a full loyalty program tool. It's great for QR code management, but if you need features like automated rewards, customer segmentation, or in-depth campaign tracking, you'll have to connect it with another platform, adding complexity and cost. Now, if your goal is to create a fully integrated customer loyalty system with QR codes, there are better options. We've found software that not only gives you QR codes, but also a complete loyalty system without needing extra integrations or expensive add-ons. We've linked an exclusive extended free trial for the best alternative in the description, plus a few others worth considering. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Check it out below and start optimizing your loyalty program today.